We present to you unit number 3/288 Oriel Road in Heidelberg West. But right here, here's the entrance via garage to the property. And we're just going to go through the side entrance, which is a pedestrian entrance. So you can see it's a nice quiet location. We are close to Northland, other shops, parks, restaurants, you name it. There's a little walkway here. Now as we come through the front door, here's the study. So perfect for those working from home. Nice and spacious, got everything you need. Here's the garage. Nice and spacious, got your clothesline up here. It's got a space here for a bike rack and storage. Laundry here, so another feature which is not that common in apartments. Linen cupboard here. And upstairs. Let's go. Here's the kitchen. It's got stone bench tops, plenty of storage, dishwasher, stainless steel appliances, powder rooms, there's a toilet, basin. Here's a lounge area, got your split system, heating and cooling, plenty of power points, phone points, data points. Balcony, perfect for a day like today. And upstairs are the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, or the larger bedroom I should say. Again, nice and spacious, no carpet. Split system up there, heating and cooling. Central bathroom, and second bedroom. So it's got built-in robes, plenty of power points, and also got another split system in here.